Hey siblings, and welcome back to our channel. You already know the vibes. Today is something special. It's a day full of celebration for our furry friends.
Meet Butterscotch.
He's a little slow sometimes, but he's there. He's with us.
He's not slow.
And this is a badass dog.
He's bad.
This is Chase. And he's bad, so he's not in the chair right now.
Don't mind him shivering. It's not cold in our house.
He be shivering like that for no reason. Something's wrong with him. Like, look at this. I don't know what the fuck this is. Let's just get started already.
Alright, so starting off with the cake, we gotta spray the pan.
Oh.
What?
You heard that?
What?
He was like going near something plastic. Sir?
That's why I said leave him on the counter because he can't know where to go.
I don't want him, like that's scary. What if he slips or something? You gotta face the camera. Oh, this is so good.
Oh my god. We gotta mix the ingredients in here first. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter.
This shit's thick.
Wanna lick it? Yeah, he loves that. You got your whole ass in the camera. You selling ass, bro?
Good boy.
And mix.
I love this. Just watching. Feels like MasterChef Pets.
I don't think Gordon Ramsay would prove this. It looks like shit in water.
Useless! What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
This does not look appetizing. It's hard to tell without spilling it.
Here's a treat for you. Sir? You don't eat this? Here, what dog don't like peanut butter? For 15 minutes, we gotta let the cake cool. Follow me to the microwave. Alright. You already know the vibes. Yeah, welcome for that.
Chase is shivering in fear.
Why is smoking?
Ew, look what happened to the microwave.
Oh no.
Ew, what the fuck is that?
Alright, we ready for the next thing? Go get that. 1 tablespoon of water.
Go get that.
Yeah,
I'm not a dog.
go
You're
get
talking
that.
to me like that.
Ooh, shit thick.
So you want... Oh.
Oh no. You just growled that air.
Who are you hearing?
Oh my god, what is that?
Don't that look like shit to you?
You wasn't being punished back to your room. That's it, no cake. One more bark. What is wrong with you? Go. Oh shit. No, nobody's here though.
This shit liquidy.
Liquidy as fuck. This shit became a tres leche.
Put it on the walls of the cake, bro.
Meanwhile.
Icing? Don't look like this. You know the 5-minute crafts? This is what it is, what it's giving. Ew, what the fuck is this? Gotta turn off the lights. What are you doing?
Love the...
Happy birthday to
you guys.
Yeah, Butterscotch is not even looking in your direction.
Birthday. Who's gonna blow it out?
Their mother. I don't even think I should be giving this to them. How that shit was made in like 3 minutes?
Oh no.
You might need a bath. Look at his face. Look at his nose.
That's a good boy. Yeah. You just be swallowing it. Like, sir, you use your teeth.
Meanwhile.
So guys, today I think you can kind of say the 5-minute cake craft was
Nothing like what the advertisement depicted.
that
It was a lie. However,
He loved it. That's all that mattered. He may look like he's not liking it now.
But it gave him the itis. Him, look at this. He got a full plate here. He don't want it. Look, we'll show you again. See that? He's like, hell to the no. That shit look nasty as fuck, but...
And it stunk bad. Anywho, if you like today's video, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe to the household. And don't forget, I am the hostess with the mostest. Let's go, bitch. Let's wrap it up.
I'm Nicholas.
I'm Bianca.
And you just watched The Siblings. Bye, guys.